Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Monday, July 19th, 2021. It is 10:29 and 29 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, monoclonal antibodies. So let's hop to it here. Monoclonal antibodies may neutralize many norovirus variants. Date July 16th, 2021. Source, Vanderbilt University Medical Center. Researchers have taken a big step toward developing targeted treatments and vaccines against a family of viruses that attack the gastrointestinal tract. Each year in the United States, circulating strains of the human norovirus are responsible for approximately 20 million cases of acute gastroenteritis. And hallmark symptoms include severe abdominal cramping, diarrhea, and vomiting. And several vaccine candidates are in clinical trials, but it is unclear how effective they will be, given the periodic emergence of novel norovirus variants. Developing broadly effective vaccines will require an understanding of the genetic diversity of the virus and the mechanisms by which the immune system can neutralize it. The researchers isolated a panel of human monoclonal antibodies from subjects with a history of acute gastroenteritis that are cross-reactive and which neutralize a broad range of norovirus variants in laboratory tests. They describe a conserved antigenic site on the norovirus that could be used to reformulate vaccine candidates so they are broadly effective against circulating viral strains. The monoclonal antibodies also could be used to treat or prevent norovirus infection, directly or as diagnostic reagents. They added, researchers were surprised to find naturally occurring antibodies that recognize so many different noroviruses. Previously, many experts thought that this would not be possible because of the extreme sequence diversity in the various groups and types of norovirus in circulation. The human immune system continues to surprise us in its capacity to recognize diverse virus variants. One of the fascinating aspects of this study was the unexpected finding of where the human antibody attacks the virus for neutralization. It is exciting to now have human monoclonal antibodies that neutralize many norovirus variants. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.